Okay, you're on. You want to narrate?
I am doing.
There you go. That is a good game. The more tug of war you want to do, the better. She is into it. She digs it. Jasper, I just can't believe you didn't want to carry the bag of poop. The cup of poop. Hey Jasper, you want to do something funny?
What?
So, lay down on the ground and hide the toy underneath you and curl up like a turtle and see if she can get it from underneath you. Nothing. Monkey, where's the toy? Where'd it go? Well, she wasn't trying that hard. That's pretty cool.